Python is incredibly useful in software development due to its versatility, readability, and extensive ecosystem. Here are some ways Python is employed in software development. Web development. Python offers robust frameworks like Django and Flask for building web applications. These frameworks provide tools and libraries for handling tasks like routing, authentication, database interaction, and more, streamlining the development process. Data science and machine learning. Python has become the de facto language for data science and machine learning. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn provide powerful tools for data manipulation, analysis, visualization, and machine learning model implementation, scripting, and automation. Python's simplicity and ease of use make it an excellent choice for scripting and automation tasks. Developers use Python scripts to automate repetitive tasks, manage system resources, and interact with other software components. Desktop GUI applications. Python can be used to develop desktop graphical user interface GUI applications using libraries like tkinter, pyqt, and wxPython. These libraries provide tools for creating intuitive and user-friendly desktop applications. Game development. While not as common as other languages like C++ or Unity in game development, Python can still be used for game development. Libraries such as Pygame provide a framework for creating 2D games, and there are even 3D game engines like Panda 3D that support Python scripting. Backend development. Python is widely used for building the backend logic of applications. Its simplicity, coupled with frameworks like Django, Flask, and FastAPI, allows developers to create scalable and maintainable backend services for web and mobile applications. DevOps and infrastructure automation. Python is extensively used in DevOps for tasks like configuration management, deployment automation, and infrastructure provisioning. Tools like Ansible and SaltStack leverage Python for automating these tasks efficiently. Testing. Python's simplicity and readability make it ideal for writing test scripts. Frameworks like Unit Test, PyTest, and Behave facilitate automated testing, helping ensure the reliability and quality of software applications. Scientific computing and research. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries makes it a preferred choice for scientific computing and research. Libraries like SciPy, SymPy, and BioPython provide tools for numerical computing, symbolic mathematics, bioinformatics, and more. Education. Python's easy-to-understand syntax and extensive documentation make it an excellent language for teaching programming concepts. Many educational institutions and coding boot camps use Python as the introductory language for teaching programming fundamentals. In summary, Python's versatility and simplicity make it an invaluable tool for various aspects of software development, spanning from web development and data science to automation and scientific computing. Its extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks further enhances its utility in addressing a wide range of development needs. For a detailed explanation of each of the topics, please consider joining the course mentioned in the advertisement clip that follows. Thank you.
If you wish to be an IT specialist or data scientist, you may look into my course on Python Foundation Concepts. It is just for beginners and covers the essentials of this programming language. Link to details are available in the description.